Ay, nakuha. Though it's not official PC, but it's Jake. It's my bias. Oh my God, Jake. May service tayo. And we have Jake from Daydream. Or Inspired. So it's the Lightstick. Official Lightstick. This is version 2.
What the dog doing?
Oh, I forgot the logo. Even though they are only 6 members now. Yeah. Oh my God! What do you mean? This is my first ever Lightstick. But sad at the same time because they're gonna continue 6 member until I remember. Oh my God. Guys, Lightstick is on my hands right now. Like, what do you mean? Okay, first look. With ENHYPEN. Look at that side. Left and right. And the engine. Engine. The battery. Actually, the Lightstick first delivered, then I waited for the battery deliver so that I can unbox it all together. Okay guys, this is so cool. Like, I have a Lightstick that I can use. Hopefully I can go to their concert soon. The Blood Saga. We have into shop in the box. ENHYPEN pouch. I mean, Lightstick pouch. And yeah. So I think I can put this here.
What the dog doing?
We have the instruction key, the manual. I think it's set OT7 photocards, by the way. So, which one? So let's go. The red hair guy. The red hair guy.
What the dog doing?
This is my only 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒔. Because I didn't pull him, and I don't buy album every time whenever they come. And my only J PC. So and Nikki, literally young Jongwon, Lee Hee-sung, Park Jong-sung,
What the dog doing?
Shin Jae-yoon, Park Sung-hoon, Kim So-woo, Lee Ki, ENHYPEN, Ver.2. So sad. Still cannot process that Hee-sung left. Like, still cannot process Hee-sung forever. But I'm gonna continue support them. Love it so much, guys. If you're an engine too, you should get this, even though they are only 6 members now. But still, I have not been on ENHYPEN concert, so I think it's all worth it naman, as long as I love them all, like, you know. Yeah, with ENHYPEN. Whoa. My brother's laughing at me like I'm not crazy girl. So let's get the battery, guys. Actually, I have ASMR.
What the dog? What the dog doing?
How do I turn on this? Oh my god. The sign, guys. I love it. The connect sign. The connect sign. Wait. Gonna load the exposure. Wow. Like, wow. This is so. Look at that. ENHYPEN. Certainly. Wow. Red. Look at that. It's red. Yellow. I love how a lot of color these have. Like, I can use this to a lot of concert if they have the color in it. Our ENGENEBONG has. Is it red or orange? Okay, checking. Blue. We also have violet and light blue. Yeah. Then white again. Then glue is right button for any types of light. Then press, no, long press rather. Yeah, love it so much. Should I put it here? Thank you for watching.